Well, good morning. Something a little bit different this time. I'm here at Taree train station, dropping the oldies off. They're about to get the XPT down to Sydney and then tomorrow flying to Darwin, and they're taking the GAN from Darwin down to Adelaide. So I just thought I'd get a video of dropping them off because after they leave, there's something else pulling into the station here that I've been invited to jump on. It's changed a little since then, but I used to spend a lot of time here as a kid. My grandfather was a train driver. He worked out of the loco here. We were often told to be quiet because Pop was asleep, and then the call boy would come and tap on the window and wake him up. They've done a little bit of renovation to the station lately. It's looking really nice. Taree train station. Right up at the end of that platform there used to be the loco, the roundhouse, turntable, all long demolished, sadly. Someone back in the 80s didn't have any vision and just tore it all down. This is the motley crew that are catching the train. 3 sisters there and their poor unfortunate spouses about to get on the XPT and then go to Darwin and get on the GAN.
And you have to be ready in case it slips out when you're not ready. I start laughing. We ordered a ramp to be brought out.
Now watch this space because there's something else coming in that I'm going to jump on. Okay, so the oldies are off on the XPT. I've been home and come back now because something else has pulled into the station here. I've been invited to go for a bit of a spin in the cab. We're going out to Mount George, so let's walk up here, get a little bit closer and show you what we're going for a ride in. That would be that there. And I don't know much about this, so here's someone that can tell me a little bit about it. What is that thing?
That's a 620 class rail car, used built in the 1960s out at Salora, used for country regional services and the outer metropolitan area services as in Wollongong and Newcastle.
And obviously we have no electricity up here, so, well, I don't mean Taree's that backward. But we don't have overhead, so it's diesel. I can hear the diesel running. It looks like it's mid-mounted, is it?
Yeah, there's two Cummins engines underneath the floor that propel the train along. One engine powers one bogie and the other engine powers the other bogie.
Okay, what sort of speeds are we going to get up to?
Unfortunately, on Australian Rail Track Corporation tracks, we're only allowed to run at 80 kilometres an hour. If we were on the UGL network, they'll let us run at 115.
Looking at you, ARTC. Thank you very much for nothing. Can I say that? Are they going to watch them? I'll watch this. So we're a little bit late because we're waiting for this fella to come into the loop. like a game of footy. Now we've got half time, change sides.
That's it. Where are you going?
Taree.
They would still be in this one.
That's our train driver.
No, he's coming.
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, sorry.
complete at Taree. Just confirming you're now on the main line between 21-129 and 21-11 Mike over.
That is affirmative, over.
Okay, so you're right there now. 37, over.
1337 hours over.
That's all good. Thanks, Ted Driver, over.
Thank you, Wait.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed a little short, a little bit of extra while I've been up here on holidays. Thank you very much to the team at Lachlan Valley Railway. The towns love it when you come to visit. The kids love it when they get to ride the old trains, and that was a nice trip. And it was really good to see it from the front seat. Never done that before. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you very soon on Steve Stuff.